Okay, today we will show how to use the EVISTR voice recorder. Now we turn on this device. Hold the play button. The device is turned on. And then we press the IC. Now it is recording. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we press the stop button and save this file. Okay, now we could play back what we just recorded and adjust the speaker volume. And now we could select the file and delete the recording. Okay, if we select this file and press the delete button, it will show delete one or delete all. Delete one, that means delete the file we just selected. Select yes and confirm it. Okay, now we turn off this device. Press the play button again.